I can give you some tips on how to prevent malware from infecting your devices. Keep your software up to date. Make sure to install software updates and security patches as soon as they become available. This will help to patch any security vulnerabilities that could be exploited by malware. Use antivirus software. Install reputable antivirus software and keep it up to date. This software will scan your computer for malware and other malicious software. Be cautious with email attachments and downloads. Don't open email attachments or download files from unknown or suspicious sources. These could contain malware. Use strong passwords. Use strong, unique passwords for all your accounts. This will help to prevent hackers from accessing your accounts and downloading malware. Avoid clicking on suspicious links. Be wary of links in emails or on websites that seem too good to be true, or that you don't recognize. These could be phishing links that download malware onto your computer. Back up your files. Regularly back up your important files to an external hard drive or cloud-based service. This will help you recover your data in case your computer becomes infected with malware. Be cautious with public Wi-Fi. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive activity.